Hello. The Daily Beautiful News visualized by Information is Beautiful, March 15, 2020. Today's visualization is about 1 in 5 Australian homes now has solar panels. Australia leads the world in rooftop solar. 30% of households in Queensland, the Sunshine State, have solar panels. Total national rooftop capacity? 7.9 gigawatts. That's massive. Bigger than the world's largest coal-fired power station. 6 new household panels are installed down under every minute. It's lowering energy bills, relieving strain on the grid, reducing emissions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.